Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the video quality of the dashcam on the Sygic GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on Settings, which is the third option. Now scroll down to the Features section and tap on Smart Cam, which is the second option. Here you should scroll down to the dashcam subcategory or subsection and tap on Video Quality to set its quality. Here you can select from three options: HD, SD or VGA. So click on the relevant one and tap on the done button in the middle of the screen in order to save your preferences. As you can see, it has been updated, but feel free to update it anytime by tapping on the quality section and tapping on the relevant one that you would like to change it for. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.